Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we'll start the lesson number 7, part B. While I was completing the exercises for today's session, so I've realized that this session is very long. As I mentioned last time as well, that we'll probably end up having 3 sessions on this. But while completing this, I've realized that it probably will take 4 sessions to complete this. To today, inshallah, we'll do the part B, and then we'll do part C and then part D, because the number of exercises are very extensive. I think there are like 32 exercises. So today we'll hardly be able to go through like 12, 13, 14 exercises, even if we take extra time. So inshallah, we'll try to do as much as we can today, and then the remaining parts of the exercises will complete in the upcoming weeks. So inshallah, let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you. This is your book number 5, lesson 7, part B, and I'll go straight to the exercises part. And I've included some of these lessons as part of the exercises. That way you can actually understand where we were the last time. So inshallah, we'll do the first exercise, which is the translation exercise. Very simple as usual. We'll start with the translation exercise, and then we'll start this one with Brother Hafiz Muhammad Asama and Brother Abdullah Saeed. Brother Hafiz Muhammad Asama will be student number 1, and Brother Abdullah Saeed will be student number 2.
Assalamualaikum Bilal bhai. So, al-mudarris teacher, mata jita min jiddata ya Khalidu. Jita is ja'a, who went. Ja'a is came. Who came from? Who went to Jeddah, O Khalid? Ja'a is who went. Mata is sorry.
When?
When did you return from Jeddah?
Yes, absolutely correct. Yep,
Yeah, I got confused with Jita actually.
I got it. Got it.
نعم جئت أمس I came yesterday.
Al-mudarris teacher, Aja'a Ibrahimu ma'aka. Did Ibrahim went with you? Came with you? Sorry.
لا no لم يجي بعد. He will come later. لا no لم يجي بعد. He hasn't he hasn't come. Will come later. بعد later. Okay. Then what is it? سيجي يوم أو غدا إن شاء الله. He will come today or tomorrow, Allah willing.
المدرس teacher زرت السفيرة زرت Can I check vocabulary?
Sure, sure.
Is he an ambassador there?
No.
زرت Oh yeah, زرت is visit.
Hmm?
Did you?
Did you visit the ambassador?
No.
Mhm.
What does Safir mean?
Yes.
Anybody else?
Zafira, I think, is a name.
No, no.
Doctor Safira is an ambassador.
Minister.
That is an ambassador too.
Just ambassador.
Okay.
Yep. So did you visit the ambassador?
That's what I said.
Sorry, I
Yeah,
didn't.
right.
Sorry.
Sorry, I misheard it or something. Sorry.
Oh, okay, no, sure.
Yeah,
I said like, did you visit the ambassador?
Okay, I missed it.
نافذ.
ذهبت إلى مكتبه ولم يجده.
Mak
So
maktabihi.
مكتبه ولم يجده. So
Walam
I went to
walam ajidhu.
ولم أجده. نعم. ولم أجده. So I went to his office. I did not find him.
Good.
سمعت أنه لم يكن في جدة ذلك اليوم. Um, I heard أنه he didn't come from Jeddah that day.
Very good. Excellent.
Okay.
Brother Ahmad, you have a question?
No, but I wanted to add that لا لم يجئ بعد. That means not yet. He didn't come yet.
So when the
بعد
very
means not yet.
very good.
Yet.
So the very first one, that when you actually ask the question, I'll share the screen with you so that way you can see it. This was for Brother Abdullah Saeed. So when you were saying this, when you were translating this, when you said La lam yaji ba'du, that actually means no, he has not come yet. So when this
Okay.
ba'du, with ba'du comes after yaji, that means not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
So the entire translation for this sentence La lam yaji ba'du will be no, he has not come yet.
Okay.
Okay. So the next one will be for Sister Naila and Sister Mehreen. So Sister Naila will be student number 1 and Sister Mehreen will be student number 2.
Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome, sir.
Okay. الطلاب الأول الطالب الأول the first student المدرس the teacher يا أدنان إنك غبت أسبوعين. Oh Adnan, you were absent for
Yes.
2 weeks, I guess, no?
Yes, it's point 2 weeks.
Okay. فأين كنت? Where were you? Or
Yeah, that's correct.
okay.
عدنان كنت في المستشفى. He was in the hospital.
I
I
was.
was in the hospital. كنت مريضا جدا. I was very sick. والله لقد كدت أموت. كدت means بلادي.
Almost.
Oh, والله لقد كدت أموت. In by
Allah.
by Allah, I almost died.
Died. Yes. Amut died. That's correct.
And the teacher, Wallahi ma araftu zalik. By God, I did not know that. Lam yakulli ahadun innaka maridun. No one told me that. No, sorry. That you are sick.
Mm-hmm.
No, okay. Wa innaka fil mustashfa, and you are in the hospital. Kaifa halukal an? How are you now? La'allakal ana ahsan. Perhaps you are better now.
Yes, that's absolutely 100% correct. Perhaps you're better now.
Adnan, Alhamdulillah, with the praise of Allah. Anal ana ahsan. I'm feeling better now.
Yep.
ولكنني لا أزال ضعيفة. I think I am getting old.
No. But I'm still. What happens when you're sick for a long time?
Yeah. I think I'm still feeling weak or
Weak. Yes,
I'm still weak.
Yeah, but I'm still weak.
I'm still weak.
Very good. Here's the translation for all of these. Okay, so the next one will be between Brother Ahmed Keen and Sister Azumi. So Brother Ahmed Keen, you're surah number 1, and Sister Azumi is surah number 2.
طيب. المدرس شفاك الله شفاء كاملا يا عثمان. May Allah heal you شفاء كاملا, give you a complete recovery basically. uh, عثمان إنك تغيب كثيرا, غبت يومين في هذا الأسبوع. You are becoming absent a lot. You became absent for 2 days in this week. وثلاثة أيام في الأسبوع الماضي, and 3 days in the past week. لا ينبغي لطالب أن يغيب كثيرا. It's not, a student should not be absent a lot.
Very good.
لم أجب ثلاث أيام في الأسبوع الماضي كما قلت. لم أجب wasn't absent for 3 days في الأسبوع الماضي كما قلت. Last week, as you said. إنك
Can you repeat the translation one more time, Sister Azumi? The full sentence.
لم أجب ثلاث.
No, only translate the sentence, just the English translation. What is the translation?
I do not absent myself for 3 days last week. كما قلت, as I said.
As you said.
Or as you said. قلت, okay.
Yeah, I was not absent for 3 days last week, as you said.
Okay. إنما جبت يوما واحدا فقط. I was only absent for 1 day only.
Very good. Yeah, that's it. Only missed 1 day.
Okay.
لا تكذب يا أخي. Don't lie, my brother. إنك غبت يوم السبت ويوم الثلاثاء ويوم الأربعاء. You had certainly became absent on Saturday, on Tuesday, and on Wednesday.
Very good.
أنا آسف يا أستاذ. I'm sorry, teacher. لا أجب في المستقبل إن شاء الله. I will not absent myself in future by Allah will.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Very good. That's a lying student. The first time in this 5 books, there is a student who's lying.
كذاب.
Okay. Here's the translation for all of these sentences. And we're not done yet. So this will be between Brother Umar NDI and Sister Kiran. So Kiran, if you can become the if you can be the student, sorry, if you can be the if you can be the second student or and then Brother Umar NDI, you're the talib level. So you're the teacher. So Brother Umar NDI.
قم يا آدم أتنام في الفصل. Get up.
1 second. It's not ata. It's atanamu. Atanamu.
أتنام في الفصل. Get up, oh Adam. You don't sleep in the class.
It's a question. So it's that's why
are you sleeping in the classroom?
Yes. So it's like tanamu or hal tanamu is same thing.
أنا آسف يا أستاذ. I am sorry, O teacher. غلبني النوم لأنني ما نمت البارحة. غلبني النوم. I fell asleep because I didn't sleep last night.
Yeah, sleep overtook me. Like, when you like sleep overtakes you all of a sudden, that's what he's saying. Like, when you're sitting down and all of a sudden you like sleep overtakes you and you all of a sudden you feel sleepy. That's what he's saying, that sleep overtook me. I didn't even realize that I went to sleep.
Lima lam tanam. Why did you sleep?
Why did you not sleep?
Why did you not sleep? Lima lam not sleep, yes.
كان بي صداع شديد فلم أنم بسببه. كان بي صداع شديد.
So kana be, I have. So
I had a severe
very good.
something. I think
Headache.
I had
So
a severe headache.
very good. So that one is headache.
I because of it I didn't sleep.
Yeah, very good. So I have had severe headache. So kana be, I have. So down headache. Shadidun is severe. Falam anam bisababihi. Because of that, I could not sleep. There's one more sentence, Sister Karen. Just translate that as well. That's not part of the conversation, but there is a sentence.
يرن الجرس فيقوم المدرس. The bell rings and the teacher stand ups.
Very good.
Sayyidun, should I speak
No,
or?
this was for Brother Umar India.
Okay.
Ya Ustaz, Anna Uridu an azur anzura an azuraka an azuraka al-yawm ba'da salat al-asr.
It's okay. Start one word at a time. You can do it easily.
Ya Ustaz, oh teacher,
Yes. Do one word at a time.
Anna Uridu, I want
Mm-hmm.
an azur
So
azuraka.
Zara Yezuru. What is the meaning of Zara Yezuru? To visit.
To visit you.
So Azurak will be?
To visit you.
Very good. And Al-Yom?
Today.
Very good.
Before the prayer of
before or after?
After the prayer, the Asr prayer.
Okay, now prove the whole translation.
Oh teacher, I want to visit you today after the Asr prayer.
Very good.
زرني غدا. Visit me tomorrow. فإني مشغول اليوم. I am busy today.
Very good. Excellent. And here's the translation for all of these. All right, we'll go to the second exercise, Marina Sani. And this one will simply translate the sentences, first of all, and then we'll give the answer at the same time. So translate the sentence and then give the answer after you have given the translation. So, and I'll give you the answer, by the way. So what if you don't remember exactly what happened in the conversation, I'll give you the answer. So we'll go back to Brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama and Brother Abdullah Saeed. So Brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama will do number 1 and 2, and Brother Abdullah Saeed will do number 3 and 4. So Osama, first just do the translation, and then when you do the translation for 1, and then I'll give you the answer, you can give the answer then.
كم أسبوعا غاب عدنان? For how many weeks Adnan was absent?
Very good. And so he was absent for 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks?
Yes. So
غاب أسبوعان
أسبوعين.
أسبوعين.
Yes. So the أسبوعين, that will be he was absent for 2
for
weeks.
2 weeks. لما كان عدنان غائبا? Why Adnan was absent?
So he was absent because he was sick.
I think
It would be Adnan غائبا. Adnan was absent. And
So Usmanu غائبا.
you finish your class.
ولكن
Oh.
ولكن مريضا.
So كان مريضا جدا. So because he was very sick.
Okay, just like yeah.
Okay, Brother Abdullah Said, number 3 and 4. Abdullah Said, you're muted yourself, I think.
Alright. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 3. كم كم يوما غاب عثمان في الأسبوع العين. So how many days did Osman absent in Usbu Ain in last, is it?
In 2
Is
weeks.
it? In 2 weeks, okay. Usbu Ain, okay, in 2 weeks. Mhm.
So the answer is he was absent 5 days in 2 weeks.
Okay.
So we'll do one word at a time. He was absent.
So he was absent. Do you say Gabahu?
No. What is the translation will be for he was absent? It's in the word is actually in middle of the question.
No.
He was absent will be Ghaba.
Gaba, okay. So Gaba Osmanu.
5 days.
Hamsa Yan.
Very good. In
في خمسة أيام
No. غاب 5 أيام في الأسبوعين.
وفي الأسبوع العين.
Yep.
Okay.
You just had to add like 5 أيام in the middle of the sentence. That's all it was. So غاب عثمان 5 أيام في
أيام في
في
الأسبوع
الأسبوعين.
العين.
Okay. Next one.
لما لم ينم Adam. So why did Adam sleep?
Why did Adam not sleep?
Not sleep. Or why did Adam not sleep? Okay.
Because he had severe headache.
أنه شديد severe headache. أنه شديد a headache sudo or something. Sudo or شديد.
So لأنه كان به صداع شديد.
لأنه كان به
صداع شديد.
صداع شديد.
Yeah, severe headache صداع شديد.
صداع شديد.
Here's the translation for all of these. Okay, this is a very simple exercise. All you have to do is just translate these. So we'll do this between 3 people. So number 1 will be for Sister Naila. Number 2 will be for Sister Mehreen. Number 3 will be for Abdul Rahman.
قال يقول to say كان يكون
So Kala Yakulu can be like, to say, or you can also say he said or he says, right? Kala Yakulu, he said, he says. Kana Yakunu will be he is or he was. Right? So Kana, he was, and Yakunu, he is.
Okay, he is or he was.
Yep.
Zara Yazuru, he visited No.
Or he visits.
Oh, he visit. Okay.
Or
Come
simply you can say to visit, right? Because Zara usually you just say to visit.
to visit.
Because it's
Okay.
not a sentence right now, right? So this is simply grammar. So you can just simply say to visit, or you can
To
say the way you were saying it. That was all. Both ways are accurate.
to visit. Qama yakumu to stand up. To stand up.
Mm-hmm.
Or zaqa yazuku to taste. Tafa yatufu to go around maybe.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Sama yasumu to fast.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Dara yaduru. I don't know about this one. Dara is
So he turns. He
okay.
turns.
He turns or he turned
Yeah.
or to turn.
Or to turn. Yes.
To turn. Taba yatubu to repent. Bala yabulu to urinate.
Yes.
Okay.
Ja'a yaji'u. Should I do it? Ja'a, he went, or and
Yeah.
yaji'u,
So
he goes.
he came or he comes. Yeah.
Okay. He came. Yaji'u, he comes. Ba'a yabi'u, to walk, to sell, I think. Ba'a yabi'u, to sell. Sara yasiru, to walk.
Mm-hmm.
Asha ya'ishu is to live.
Yep.
Kala yakilu. Kala yakilu. Kala yakilu. I don't know that Bilal. Kala yakilu.
So to weigh, to measure something. To
Okay.
measure
Yeah.
something.
To measure.
Okay, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, we can't hear you.
Now yanamu. To wash.
No. So when you read the Ayat al-Kursi, you say Allahu la ilaha illahul hayyul qayyum la ta'khuzuhu sinatun wala nawm. What does that word wala nawm means?
Um,
What does the word nawm means? Nawm.
no, like
To sleep.
steep.
Sleeping.
Sleep. Oh yeah, sleep. To sleep.
So again,
Khafa yakhafu. Nama yanamu is to sleep. Khafa yakhafu is to
if you do something wrong at home and you know that your dad is going to come to know that you did something wrong, what will happen to you?
khafa yakhafu.
He feared. He feared or
Khafa
he is.
yakhafu. He feared.
Yes. Kada
So
yakadu.
kada yakada is
So he almost did or he almost does.
kada yakadu is he almost did or he almost does. And zala yazalu is to speak.
No. How was the Quran? How does the Quran comes to this planet Earth?
To um,
So it basically means to seize or to come down. Both correct
see
meaning.
to come
Yeah.
down.
Yeah. Seize or come down. Okay. Here's the translation for all of these. All right. So the next one, I've given you just an understanding of why some of the words actually change uh, you know, uh, the the sound of the change, the letter actually. Why do we drop the weak letters? Why do we drop the vaw or the ya? And that's only because to make the pronunciation correct or to pronunciation easy. Otherwise, if you, as I mentioned, when you say qala, the real way to say is qavala, right? So I mentioned this the last time. So you remove the wow and then you add the alif or hamzatul wasl to make it pronounce correctly. So this is the only reason why you actually remove the letters or the weak letters to pronounce them correctly. So for example, Sara will be Savara, but you don't say Savara, you will say Sara, and you remove the vav and you add the Hamzatul Wasl. Same thing for Nama, it's Namama, but you'll remove the vav and then you'll add the Hamzatul Wasl to make it sound correctly. So this is the reason why. And same thing for Qultu, it will actually, the way to say, the real way to say this is, or the real way to write it is Qavaltu. Waltu. So we'll not say this because it is not correct to pronounce it. So we'll remove the vow and we'll say simply kultu. So, and then same thing for kulna, there is a vow in the middle, we'll remove that to pronounce them. So we remove the weak letters. So muattatul ain, the weak letters, to make them sound correct. So in this exercise, first of all, as you can see all of these, you just have to translate these. It's very, very easy. But there's another exercise that will show up right after this. So pay a lot of attention on how these words are written and how any other word, right? So Sara, Yasiru, all those words, and how those words will actually be pronounced once you see this example. So in this example, we'll only translate this and then afterwards we'll actually do other exercises that 100% depend on this exercise. So who did the last one? So this will be done between Brother Ahmad Keen and Brother Umar NDI. So Brother Ahmad Keen, you'll do the everything on the right hand side. Brother Umar NDI, you will do everything on the left hand side.
تعمل معي يرجع ترجع نعم. حامد قال حامد said مثلا آمنة قالت آمنة said she said أنت قلت you said أنت قلت you said feminine singular أنا قلت and I said.
So now remember, any of these actions that you do, this action is for the word fa'ala, right? So meaning that you, sorry, the qala, meaning that you are actually saying something. So to visit, to purchase, to come back, to buy, to sit down, right? So stand up. All of those words will actually later on use the same pattern that you see over here. Okay, so that's very very important that you will drop the vowel and then you'll pronounce it them like this, right? So just keep that in mind because the next exercise that you will have will actually 100% depend on this. So Brother Umar India, everything on the left hand side. So everybody pay attention. I'm going to pick some of you randomly.
The left side, Tulabun Kalu. The students said.
Say or said?
Said.
Said. It's all in the past.
Yes.
Keep going.
Talibatu Kulna. The
At-talibat.
female students said, Antum Kultum. You said, Antunna Kultunna. You female said, Nahnu Kulna. We said.
Excellent work. So everybody pay attention and I'm going to show you the next screen. If you want to take a screenshot, that's also okay because your exercise coming up 100% depends on this exercise. Okay, so just keep the look at the pattern, how the pattern actually is used. So the exercise that you have is asking you to be able to use the word kama, right? So these, all these actions that you see, kama, zara, kana, all these you'll have to use hamidun and then say what is the word over here. Aminatu and then say the word that you see over here, right? So make them change. These, the Kama, Zara, Kana, you have to change these. So we'll start with Kama first, and then we'll start on the right hand side column first, and this will be done between Sister Kiran and Sister Azumi. So Sister Kiran, everything on the right hand side, Hamidun, Aminatu, Anta, so all of these are for you, but only for the word Kama. And then Sister Azumi, you'll do everything on the left hand side, which is a Talabu, a Talibatu, Antum, Antunna, Nahnu, but only for the word Kama. And then translate also, by the way.
Oh.
Sister Kiran, she here? Yes, she is.
Kama mean to get up.
Yes, to stand up, yep.
Okay. So it would be, it's quite difficult.
So Hamidun, and then use the word.
Kama.
Very good. Hamid stood up.
Yes, or then Aminatu Kamat.
Very good.
Should I translate in English or
Yep,
no
yep,
need to?
yep. You can do the translation also.
Amina stood up,
Mm-hmm.
and then or Amina get up. Then would be Anta Kulta. It would be Kumta. Anta Kumta.
Very good. Excellent. This was the tricky part because the rest of them are easy. This is a little bit tricky. So very good. You did really good.
It would be you got up or you
You stood up or you stand
stood
up.
up. And then Anti Kumti. You female stood up or get up.
Very good.
Then Ana Kultu. It would be Ana Kumtu.
Excellent work.
I stood up
Yeah,
or I get up.
yeah, these are all in the past. So just keep that in mind.
Yes.
Next lesson that
Yes.
you'll have a lot of exercises where you'll do this today. And next exercise, you will have everything in the present tense. So just keep that in mind on how we are doing this. So the second one is for Sister Azumi. Sister Azumi, this one is for
Okay.
you. So you'll have to
Okay.
start with Atulabu and then use the
Okay.
word Kama. How will you use the word
It's
Kama?
Atulabu Kamu Atwalibatu Kumna Antum Kumtum.
You have to translate also.
Okay. Atulabu Kamu, the students got up, the male students. Atwalibatu Kumna, the female students got up. Antum Kumtum, you Pura got up. Antunna Kumtunna, you female students, you female got up. Nahnu kumna, we got up.
Excellent work. So this is the next one I'll show you. So this is all everything related to the word Kama. You both did very, very good. So now when you read Quran, just look at these words, how the words actually change. So, right, when you're reading the Quran or any Quranic verses or any even Arabic, so just look at the words and how the word actually changes. How the word, ta, ti, tu, right? So u, na, how those words are actually added after the pattern of whichever pattern you're using or whichever word you're actually using. So the next one is Zara. So this one is Zara, and this will be done. So who is the first one? Okay. So this will be done between Brother Abdullah Saeed and Brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama. So Osama, you'll do everything on the right hand side, but use the word Zara to convert these. And then Brother Abdullah Saeed, you'll do everything on the left hand side and use the word to convert the word Zara. And remember the word Zara. Zara is very simple. Zara Yuzuru.
Okay. So it would be Rashidun Zara. Rashid visited.
Mm-hmm.
Maryam Zarat. Maryam visited. Anta Zurta. You visited.
Very good.
Ante Zurti. Feminine visited. Anta Zurt. Ana Zurtu. We visited.
Sami, how will you say I visited the masjid?
I visited the masjid. Um, it would be there are two ways. Zurti, I can say. I visited.
No, Zurti will be visit me.
Oh, visit me. Okay. It will be. Okay, so Anna Zurtu. It like I visited.
Yeah, Ana Zurtu
I can
Masjid.
visit with Nahnu.
You can say Ana Zurtu Masjidun. That's it. I visited the masjid. So if you're saying I visited the masjid, you'll simply say Ana Zurtu Masjidun. Brother Ahmad Keen, how will you say I visited the masjid in the morning?
زرت المسجد صباحا أو في
Sabah.
الصباح.
That's Sabah. Very good. Okay. Brother Abdullah says everything on the left hand side.
Okay. So Auladu, we are using the word Zulta, right?
Yeah, you'll use the word Zara and you'll have to convert this al-Aladu
So
Zaru.
Auladu Zaru. Is that correct?
Very correct.
The boys visited.
Very good.
Then Ummahatu Zorna.
Zurna.
So Zurna, the mothers visited. Antum Zoltum. So you plural visited.
Very good.
Antunna Zurtunna. So the female visited.
Very good.
And Nahanu Zurna, we visited.
Excellent work. So here's everything for the word Zara and then how this actually converts. You did everything right. I simply copied whatever you had in the book. Okay, the next word is kana. This is a very, very popular word or common word. So I should not say popular. Everything is popular in Quran. The most very common word that is used in Quran. But now you have to convert this from kana. So everything that you see over here, so Hamidun Zara, instead of Hamidun Zara, you'll have to say, you have to convert this into kana. And how you will say that? And this will be done between, who did it last? This will be done between Sister Nile and Sister Mehreen.
I'm doing the right side or Marine is doing the right
You're doing on the right hand side, and Sister Mehreen will do everything on the left hand side.
side? Okay. Hamidun Kana. Hamid was. I
Keep going.
think that's okay. Aminatu Kanat. Amina was. Anta Kunta. You were. Anti Kunti. I were. No, you were, but for feminine. Ana Kuntu. I was.
Sister Mehreen.
At-Tulabu Kanu, students were. At-Talibatu Kunna,
Very good.
female students were. Antum Kuntum, you were. Antunna Kuntunna, you female were. Nahnu Kunna, we were.
Very good.
We were, yeah.
Yeah, we were. Here's the translation for all of these. One quick second, sorry. All right. So the next exercise, in this one, we are simply translating these sentences, nothing else. Only we're doing the translation. So this one will be done between Brother Ahmad Keen and Brother Umar NDI. And if I mute you, please don't unmute yourself. I intentionally mute you guys sometimes because I hear the background noise. Okay, this is for Brother Umar NDI. Brother Umar NDI, you will do number 1, 2, and only 1 and 2. And Brother Ahmad Keen, you'll do number 3, 4, and 5. Only do the translation of these sentences. And this is because of what you were doing before, okay? You just did an exercise where you use the word Zara, Kana, right? And then, so yeah, so the words that you had previously used, you'll use these words over here now. So this is how the sentence will be formed. So do number 1 and 2, Brother Umar and DI.
Zurnal Mudarrisa Zurnal Mudarrisal Jadida Bariha. We visited
No,
the Zurnal
Zurnal Mudarris.
Mudarris. I isn't it we visited the new teacher?
Okay, who can tell me this is correct or wrong?
زرنا. I mean,
Zurnal Mudarris al-Jadid al-Bariha. What is the translation?
We
It's supposed
visited
to
the
be
new teacher.
I visited.
We visited new teacher yesterday.
no, it's we visited. Yeah.
We visited Zurna
And what is the translation for Bariha?
yesterday.
Last night.
Last night. أي
Last
You can use say
الليلة
yesterday.
الماضية
Yeah,
مثلا.
you can say yesterday also. So now translate this, Brother Marandia.
We visited the new teacher yesterday.
Yeah. Keep going.
أذقت هذا الطعام يا أختي. أذقت.
Just do the last 4 words first, and then you will understand exactly what you're saying.
هذا طعام يا أختي. طعام is this food طعام. This food or sisters.
Very
or
good.
my sister.
So the very
Or
first one means taste.
Taste
No,
this food or
no.
sister.
There is a zukti.
Oh, did you taste this food or sister?
Did you or have you? Very good. Now that there is an answer for that also in front of it. Naam zuktuhu.
Naam zuktuhu.
Translate. Keep going.
Yes, I tasted it.
And
should I go to number
no,
3?
do the whole sentence. Naam zuktuhu wajadtuhu with lazizan jiddan. There is a whole sentence in the beginning in front of it.
Oh, okay, I didn't see it.
Can you see it?
Naam zuktuhu wa wajadtuhu lazidan jiddan. It's very good. It tastes very good.
Okay. So number 3 and 4 for Brother Ahmad Keen.
ذهبت إلى مكة وطفت بالكعبة. I went to Mecca and I went around the Kaaba. I did tawaf around the Kaaba. So طوف يعني طاف يطوف has to take the preposition ba.
Yes,
Okay.
that's why you're saying tuftu.
طفت بالكعبة ولا طفت الكعبة بالكعبة. صمنا يوم الاثنين. صمنا يوم الاثنين. Meaning we fasted on how about Monday, right?
Monday, yes.
نعم صمنا يوم الاثنين.
So can anybody tell me why is Monday Yom al-Ithnain?
Because Sunday is first. It's treated as
الأحد.
Friday.
Yes, Sunday is the first day. That's why.
الأحد الاثنين الثلاثاء الأربعاء الخميس الجمعة السبت.
Let's make one correction. Okay. I share my screen again with you. Right. doing the correct one? Yes, okay. Let me do it one more time. I think I did it incorrectly. There you go. Okay. So here's your answer for all of these. Okay, and this one we're also continuing the translation of the sentences and keep with this everybody very important. Look at the word in the middle. Qulta, kuntum, right? So qultu, kumna, tubtu, kuntu, zarani, wazurtuhu. Look at these words, how these words are actually used over here. So it's very important that you're looking at the words bala, right? So look at all of these words, how these words are actually used, and then understand how those words are actually changed uh, and they translate them. So this will be done between brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama, brother Abdullah Said, and yeah, I think that's about it. So Osama, we'll do number 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, you can do 5, 6, 7. And brother Abdullah Said, you'll do number 8, 9, and 10. Just translate them. And then look at the words that are in the middle. That's the key reason for this translation.
ماذا قلت لحامد يا أحمد? What did you say to Hamid or Ahmed?
No. What did you say to Ahmed? Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah. متى قمتم من النوم يا أبنائي?
Amit, there is an answer for after that sentence.
Oh, sorry, yeah. ما قلت له شيئا. Ma
Means this is
no
negation. This is negation
no.
over here.
Qultu the I did lahu shay'a.
So shay'an, what is the meaning of shay'an?
About a thing,
Saying anything, right?
anything.
Now look at what
So
you're saying.
lahu, asking him. I did. Oh, okay. It would be ma qultu lahu shay'a. I did not say anything to him.
Very good. That's it.
Yeah.
Lahu is to him, right?
Lahu is to him.
Because you're saying it says there is a belonging over here, right? So lahu to him. Okay. Next one.
متى قمتم من النوم يا أبنائي? When did you wake up or from the sleep, O son?
My children.
My
Ya
children.
abna'i is children.
Children.
If it was a single one, you will say ya bunayya.
Okay. The answer is very there. Kumna qabla adhan al-fajr. We woke up before Fajr Adhan.
Yeah, but we got up before Fajr
We
Azan.
got up before Fajr Adhan, yeah.
So for like Sayaya is your bunayya.
Yeah.
This word actually is used in Quran, by the way. The word bunayya is actually used in Quran. Okay.
Okay.
One more for you.
One more. بال الطفل في ثوبي. بال الطفل في ثوبي. What is the meaning of bala?
Urinated.
Sorry?
Urinate.
Oh, the kid the kid urinated in my clothes or on my clothes.
Very good.
That applies to us, yeah.
Brother Abdullah said next 3 are for you. Abdullah say you have to unmute yourself.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, tubtu ilallah. I repented to Allah. Kuntu mut'aban yawma. Falam ashab ila madrasati. Naam. So I was tired today. So falam ashab, I did not go to the school. So I did not go to the school. I was tired today, so I did not go to the school. Zarani Siddiqui, my friend visited me, Amsi, yesterday. وزرته يوما, and I visited him today.
Excellent work. And here's the translation for all of these. Somebody specifically picked the number 7 for you because originally it was for brother Abdullah Said. I was like, maybe nowadays it is more appropriate for you.
That's what I said at the end. I was like, it applies to me.
Okay, number 7, man. It's already like 10:05 and we're already 7, and we have like at least 12 exercises. We have to go very quickly. Now, in this exercise, it's the same thing as we had before, but now it is in present tense. Same thing in present tense, right? Exact same thing, but it is a present tense. This will be done between Sister Azumi and Sister Kiran. Sister Azumi, you will do everything on the right hand side, and Sister Kiran, you will do everything on the left hand side. Very quickly, just do the translation.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hamidun Yakul. Hamid says, I'm not Takul. Amina says, Anta Takul. You say that's masculine. Anti Takuli. A female says, she said. She say, Ana Akul. I say.
Sister Kiran.
الطلاب يقولون, the students say, male plural. الطالبات يقولن, the students say, female plural. أنتم تقولون, you say, male plural. أنتن تقولن, you say, female plural. نحن نقول, we say.
Excellent work. So exact same thing that we did before. We'll do the same thing over here, right? So you see there are two words over here, yakumu, yatufu, right? So we'll actually convert these looking at the pattern on your right hand side. For example, Hamidun yakulu. Instead of saying Hamidun yakulu, we'll actually use the word yakumu first, and then translate those for the rest of them as well. So this one will be done between brother Ahmad Keen and brother Umar NDI. So brother Ahmad Keen do everything on the right hand side, and brother Umar NDI everything on the left hand side. Very quickly, only for the word yakumu, and translate as well.
حامد يقوم. Hamid stands up. Or stands. آمنة تقوم. آمنة stands. أنت تقوم. You stand. أنت تقومين. You stand for feminine singular. أنا أقوم. I stand.
Brother Umar NDI. Brother Umar NDI, you have to unmute yourself.
الطلاب يقومون. The students said, stood up, stand up.
Yes, students stand because it's in the
Stand.
present tense right now.
Yes. الطالبات يقومن. The female students stand. أنتم تقومون. You stand. Male. أنتن تقولن. You females stand. نحن نقوم. We stand.
نحن نقوم.
نحن نقوم. We stand.
Okay. Very good. By the way, if you guys understand this particular concept, reading the Quran will become extremely easy. If this concept is understood, reading Quran becomes very, very easy. Okay, here's the word for yaqum, and the next one we have to do is yatuf. So look at everything on your right hand side, right, and then convert this into yatuf. So the word yatufu, you have to convert these into yatufu depending on whatever the word that you have over here or the noun that you have on your right hand side. This will be done between Sister Naila and Sister Mehreen. Sister Naila will do everything on the right hand side. Sister Mehreen will do everything on the left hand side, but using the word yatufu.
Okay. Hamidun Yatufu. Hamid goes around or going around. Fatimatu Tatufu. Fatima goes around.
You can actually just
Anta
say yatufu, or you can just say they perform tawaf. This word is
Tawaf.
particularly used
For
in
Tawaf.
for us, for Muslims, particularly used for tawaf.
Sure. Okay. Fatimatu Tatufu. Fatima is performing Tawaf or performs. Okay. Anta Tatufu. You performing a Tawaf. Anti Tatuflina. You female performing the tawaf or going around the Kaaba. Ana atufu. I am going around or I'm performing a tawaf. Sorry.
Very good.
الطلاب يطوفون. Students uh, circling around,
Circling around perform tawaf.
perform tawaf. البنات البنات يطفن. البنات daughters perform tawaf.
Or the girls.
Girls. أنتم يطوفون. أنتم يطوفون.
No. Antum
أنتم
tatufun.
Oh, sorry. Yes. أنتم تطوفون. You male perform tawaf. أنتن تطفن. You female perform tawaf. نحن نطوف. Yes.
Yeah,
We perform tawaf.
100% accurate. Here's the translation for all of these. Okay. Exercise number 9. All we have to do again, translation is now to show you the words that you used before, right? So, for example, azurak, tazurni, yatufu, taqulin, akun, right? All these words in the middle. Pay attention to these words in the middle. This is how the sentence is being formed right now. So this will be done between brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama and brother Abdullah Saeed. Hafiz Muhammad Osama will do number 1, 2, 3, and brother Abdullah Saeed will do number 4, 5, and 6.
I would do 1, 2, 3, right?
Ji.
أنا أزورك وأنت لا تزورني. I visit you, but you do not visit me.
Excellent.
يطوف الحجاج بالكعبة. Pilgrims circle around the Kaaba.
Very good.
ماذا تقولين يا أمي? Why are you not talking?
No.
ماذا تقولين?
Maza is what?
What
It is
What
from
are you saying to me, O
yeah.
mother?
Yes, very exactly. So what are you saying, oh my mother? That's it. So it's not that what are you saying to me? The translation is what are you saying? Taqulin is she's saying, right? So, but your answer is correct. So, brother Abdullah Saeed, number 4, 5, and 6 for you. Abdullah Saeed, you have to unmute yourself.
Okay, inshallah. أريد أن أكون مدرسا. I want to be a teacher. البنات يزورن حالتهن كل أسبوع. The girls visit their auntie every week.
Excellent.
قال طلاب لمدرسهم. So the students said to their teacher. Ya Ustaz, O teacher, نحن نريد أن نزورك غدا. We want to visit you today.
Today?
غدا, no tomorrow. I'm sorry, tomorrow. غدا.
Very good.
Today will be اليوم.
No problem. Exercise number 10. Okay. This exercise, I'll give you a very quick explanation of majzoom. We already know what majzoom means, that it is a jussive state. So we have four states, in the present tense. You have marfu, mansoob, majzoom, and amr. Marfu is the normal form, that when you're talking about something like he writes or she writes. And mansoob is when you have the fatha, right? So you have the subjunctive form. Jussive form is the majzoom. Majzoom means when you actually are talking about something that has some sort of a negation, or a command or some sort of a condition. That's when you actually will have, this is what you call as majzoom. And majzoom generally will have the word lam added to it. Wherever you have majzoom, there is a lam word added to it mostly. Same thing over here. The word majzoom simply means cut off, to drop off, right? That's why the verb becomes majzoom. Something is cut off in the end, right? So the vowel becomes sukoon. There is no fatha, fatha, kasra, dhamma in the end. So that's how the word will actually be pronounced. These are the examples of majzoom, right? The lam yaktub, lamma yaktub, la taktub, in taktub utib, right? So you can see in all of these examples that you have when you're using the lam, and then lam actually makes that word to become in negation, and then you can also sue la in some cases as well, depending on how what the sentence is. But mazzoom simply means when there is a cutoff, meaning that the last letter that you'll have will not have the fatha, kasra, or dhamma. It will have the sukoon. These are again examples over here, right? So lam yaktub, lam yaqul, lam yabi, lam yasir, lam yanam. Right? He did not write, he did not say, he did not sell, he did not walk, he did not sleep. Right? So the marfu form on the left hand side, yaktubu, changes into lam yaktub. Yaqulu changes into lam yaqul, like he did not say. Yabi'u, meaning that to sell, right? And then lam yabi'u, he did not sell, right? So this is how the mazzoom will actually word. You'll add the word lam and then it changes into negation. Now, first somebody translate this word yaqulu lam yaqul. So lam yaqul. Anybody can tell me what is the word lam yaqul means? I want to go very quickly so that we can go to the next exercise. What is the word lam yaqul means?
Lam yakul, don't say.
I
No,
He did
not
not
say.
say.
he did not say. Excellent.
Uh,
He did not say, right? So
okay,
lam
yakul,
yaqul
okay.
means. And remember, the reason why it is from yaqul, we cannot say lam yaqul. We'll say lam yaqul, meaning that this wow will actually disappear. And then you'll also you can see the la. So what they're saying la yaltaqi la sakinan, you cannot have two sukoons, because if you see la yaqul, wow and the lam both have the sukoon over here, so you cannot have two sukoons at the same time. So you'll convert this from lam yaqul into lam yaqul. So you'll drop the weak letter of wow because you cannot have two sukoons together at the same time. So lam yaqul means he did not say. And here's the translation for this. And then the next exercise. All you have to do over here is very simple exercise. You have to change this marfu form into majzoom form. That's all you have to do. So from yakun, you have to say how you're going to pronounce this into a majzoom form. So the one in the right hand side will be done between Sister Azumi and Sister Kiran. So Sister Azumi will do yakun, and then Sister Kiran will do yazur. The middle one will be done between brother Umar NDI and brother Ahmad Keen. The one on the left hand side will be done between brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama and brother Abdullah Saeed. So let's start with Sister Azumi. Just change the yakun into a majzoom form.
Lam yakun,
What?
don't
Sorry?
be. Lam yakun,
Translation?
uh, don't be.
Don't be or he was not, you can say. Yep.
Okay. Okay.
Sister Kiran?
To visit. Lam yurus, didn't
Lam,
visit.
lam yazur.
Lam yazur.
Or he did not visit, right? So, or no, there was no visit. Okay, very good. Just the next middle one was for brother Umar NDI and brother Ahmad Keen. Very quickly.
يقوم لم يقوم. It didn't stand up.
Very good. Brother Ahmad Keen, Yasum.
صام يصوم لم يصم لم يصم. He did not fast.
Excellent. Brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama and brother. Okay, again, same thing came to you.
Yeah, now I know this. Yabulu means he urinates. Lam
Yes,
yabul, he did not urinate.
very good.
Yatubu means to repent. Lam yatub, he did not repent.
Excellent work. And here's the answer for all of these. Okay, I think this is the last exercise for today, hopefully. But it's a longer exercise. All you have to do is to first translate these sentences, and then you'll have to answer the question by using the mazum, meaning adding the word lam and add one more word to answer the question. That's all you have to do here. So first look at the question and then answer the question by adding la, lam, and then add the word, whatever the answer for that question is. So we'll start with brother. I just saw your message, Sami. I think he used to say that because for himself nowadays. That's all I can think about. Where the whole thing is heading is, I think it's the sentence only applies to him nowadays.
Exactly, that's what I was saying.
I think the people in the government have taken it very seriously. His requirement. Astaghfirullah. Anyways, so this will be done we'll do multiple people to do this. We'll start with number 1 and 2 is from brother Hafiz Muhammad Osama. Number 3 and 4 is for brother Abdullah Said. Number 5 and 6 is for sister Naila. Number 7 and 8 for sister Mehreen. Number 9 is for sister Azumi. Number 10 is for sister Kiran. Number 11 is for brother Umar NDI. Okay, so just remember your numbers. So that way we can cover everybody for this exercise. So Sami, number 1 and 2 is for you. Sami will be thinking, why always me?
No, I'm good. It's good.
That's what he
Azurtul,
was actually thinking.
Sami,
No, number three should be for Sama.
you have
Baba.
spies at home. Okay, let's start in the beginning, inshallah.
Azurtul Mudira Ya Ali. Um, did you visit the principal, Oli?
Very good. So you just have to say la, lam, and then answer the question.
La lam yazur. No, I did not.
No, you not say yazur, right? Yep, because you're talking about
Yazur
yourself.
is, yeah, it's the present. So it will be La lam azar.
Azarhu, right? So Azarhu, so you're
Azar.
talking about that you are not visiting him. Very good.
Azar tu, yeah.
Azarhu. No, I
Azar,
did not visit him.
Azarhu, yeah, yeah. I did not visit him. Okay, good. The next one is Aqam, Aqama akhuki min an-nawm. When did you wake up from the sleep, brother?
No.
1 second.
This one is
Akhuki.
Samavi. This in the beginning actually is a question. It says like hal qama akhuki min
Yeah.
an-nawm. So it's actually a question. So somebody's asking a question.
When did you wake up from sleep, brother?
No, akhuki, your brother.
Okay. When
Did,
did your brother wake up from sleep?
did your brother? Did
Sorry.
your brother?
Did your brother wake up from the sleep?
Wake up, sleep. And you say, now you have to say, no, he did not get up.
La lam
Very good.
qamahu
Yaqum, because
yakum.
Yaqum is because he did not get up. So no, he did not get up. So for everybody, just remember the pattern. So this is Yaqum,
Yakum.
Yabil, Asum, Akun. I've pretty much given you all the answers now. So this is how the whole thing will actually work. I'll go back one more time. So look at this pattern over here. Look at this pattern. It's very important to look at the pattern. Pretty
يكون
much every answer will be like this. Unless, for example, the first one was a little bit difficult for Brother Sama because it actually was, I did not visit him, right? Because you were saying, I not visit him. So he said, La lam azurhu, that I did not visit him. Otherwise, pretty much every answer will follow this pattern that you see over here. So look at the question. The answer will be in middle of the question also. This word will be there. You just have to convert it. Instead of yabul or yatub, you'll change into yabil or yatub. This is how you will actually change those questions. So look at the question and then that's how you will answer. Brother Abdullah said this is for you now.
أبال الطفل في قميصك. The child urinate in your shirt or dress.
Just say no, he did not urinate.
لا لم يبل.
Yabil actually. This is how you'll pronounce it. You'll say la lam yabil.
لم يبل. Okay.
Yes.
Sorry.
Next one.
Um,
Brother Ahmad, I will
next
answer the
one.
question in the end. So let me just finish this. That way we don't have to take
As
long.
أسمت أمس يا Aisha. Did you fast yesterday, Aisha? لا لم لم تسم.
Assume, you're talking about yourself.
لم أسم. Okay, I did not fast.
So you're talking about yourself, so you'll say ah. You're talking about somebody else, you'll say yeah. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, next one is for Sister
Was me.
Naila.
Yeah. كنت في الفصل في الحصة الأولى. You were in the you were in the classroom in the first part, I guess.
Firstly, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. لا لم أكن. Is it أكن?
Yes, that is correct. Sorry, I was looking at
لا
it.
لم يكن لا
No,
لم أكن في
akun.
الفصل. Yeah,
No, you
أكن
just have
في
to say akun. La lam akun. That's all. Don't.
لا لم أكن. Okay.
Next one.
أذقت هذا الطعام يا أمي. Did you taste this food, oh my mother? لا لم تذق, I guess.
No, she
No.
did not. So you're the mother in this case, right? So somebody's asking you a question.
Okay, لا لم أذق.
Yeah. So, or you can say na azaktuhu, that I did not taste it. Both ways are correct.
Okay.
Sister Mary, next one, two are for you.
Yes. What is the meaning of hakaza?
So,
Did you eat akulta? No. Did you? I don't know. Hakaza.
this,
This?
yeah. Aqultu hakaza ya Umar. Like,
Did
did
you
you
say
say
this,
this?
Omar?
That's it.
Yeah. La lam yakul.
Aqul. Remember, this is for, so in all these questions, you are the person answering the question in most cases,
Oh,
right?
okay.
So because he's asking you, you are the Umar. So you have to say la lam aqul.
La lam akul. Okay. Aada akhuki min riyadi ya Salma. Did your brother return from Riyadh, O Salma?
Yeah. So now you're talking about somebody else. So you're not gonna
Yeah.
say ah.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. La lam yaud.
Ya'id.
Yaid. Okay.
Yes.
La lam yaid.
3 letters are correct, but it will be Ya'id. You're absolutely right. Okay. So number 9 is for Sister Azumi.
Okay. أزفت بالكعبة يا أخي. Did you perform tawaf around the Kaaba, my
So,
brother?
so question is for you. You are the brother.
Okay. لا لم أزفته.
Azukt? You're
Okay.
tasting
لم
the
أزف.
tasting the Kaaba. This is the word atuf.
I said لم أزفته. Is it correct?
You're saying azukta. Azukta means tasting Kaaba.
Okay. أزفت. لم أزفت.
You have to say atufta, right? So la lam
أزفت.
atuf. La lam atuf.
لا لم أزف.
Atuf. Twa,
أتف.
like a twa. Twa.
When I took can I add the ta or I should leave the t?
Sorry,
Or
can you ask one more time?
the ta. So if I say la lam atuf or lam atufta, is it correct?
Alam atufta is also okay. Yes, that's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
Sister Kiran is
أكنت
next.
مريضا أكنت مريضا في الأسبوع الماضي were you ill last week
Correct.
لا لم أكن مريضا في الأسبوع الماضي no I was not ill last week
Excellent work. Brother Omar and I, last one for you. We're ending right on time.
Amat al Kalbu. Did he kill the dog?
No.
Amat al Kalbu.
Amata. Mata yamutu. Did the dog die?
Did the dog okay. Did the dog die? La lam amutu.
No. Amutu means no, I did not die. When you sing la lam
Amuta.
amut, when you sing
Amut.
la lam amut, it means no, I did not die. You'll say la lam yamut. Or
La
la
lam yamut.
that yamut, there is no wow.
Yamut.
Yes. So,
La lam
and by the
yamut.
way, yamut and yamit both can be said. Okay. If you remember the lecture when I did in the beginning last week, this was the very last slide, if I remember correctly. Both words, yamut and yamit, are used in Quran. I think yamut is used like 9 times and yamit is used like 3 times. This was mentioned in the last lesson, right? In this case, they're saying la lam yamut. So the dog did not die. Okay. Here's the exercise that you have for this week. It's very important. Oh man, a few people left already. Let me see who left. So, okay. So how you can tell Sister Marine the answer or the exercise? Who else left? So now let's here. Okay, now I know. So, Sabi, you can tell her what the exercise. All you have to do, you have to find two verses of Quran, and I think Brother Ahmad Keen already did one. So you have to do two verses of Quran where you can find a past tense and a present tense, right? So one verse of Quran where you can find a word that has a past tense listed, and one verse of Quran where you have a present tense listed. Very, very easy. And I'll give you an example as well. I'll send you an example where you can
Okay.
see that way you can just look at the verse of the Quran. All of this is for everybody, okay? So find whichever verse of Quran you want and then add the translation of that as well and then say this is the word that was in the past tense and this is the word this is in the present tense and use the same example that you have over here. And the third one you have to do is to add the verse of Quran where you have the negation, meaning mazum, meaning the word lam added, and then translate and look copy paste the translation as well. You don't have to translate yourself. All I want you to do is to find one verse that has a past tense, one verse that has a present tense, and one verse that actually has the negation, meaning majzoom, and copy and paste and put it in the homework thing, and then put it at the bottom, the translation of that sentence as well, and then mention exactly which word you actually saw that is in past, which word you saw in the present, and which word you saw in the majzoom form. Yeah. So for this is hopefully everybody understood the exercise. Yes. If you did not understand, please raise your hand and say, I did not understand. One verse, present tense, and put the translation at the same time, and also select the word that you was there in there that was in the past tense. Second, one verse in the present tense, and then select the word that was in the present tense and then put the translation. And the third one is find an ayah that has the majzoom law or the grammar law listed in there. That's all you have to do, and then translate as well. Any
Ustaz,
question?
please.
Yes.
Is it the same thing, or you can find different verse?
No, no. So
Like
all three are
the
different verses. You cannot, it will be very difficult to find all three in one. So
okay,
all three are three different verses, whichever verse you
okay,
want. You
okay.
can you can Google it, whatever you want, right? But it's best to be able to just open the Quran. Maybe the
Mm-hmm,
one of the most common surahs that you recite, for example, Surah Mulk you recite, or Surah Yasin you recite, right? So
mm-hmm,
when reciting it, look at, okay, this is a word that is in the past tense, right? That will be very,
mm-hmm.
very easy.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Inshallah, we'll meet next week. Hopefully, we'll finish the third part next week, and then we'll probably have to do another part, like, in the fourth week to be able to finish the entire thing. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.